And from this time henceforth, this is coming out from directly. This is coming out directly from the office of my triple general down to the major generals in Biafra land. From Monday, this coming Monday, everywhere should be lock and key. Biafrans, I love the courage. I love you people's courage. Yes, it made officially by the Angel Makeup. But since we have seen that these people don't want peace in this land, every Monday sit at home should continue till Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention. That is final. Let everyone hear it. Let it not be meant to know. Let it not be as if tomorrow you will rise up and say that you did not hear it.
Did you hear that? Okay, no, there with your ear. Now, make we just talk small. They tell us, say, these people, they inside bush. These people, they be ndiojo, hana ebu mmadụ, hana ebe imenji mmadụ, ure jeresia. That's the court person body, some they go sell. And who be these people? They be gentle, but also and so. They form so many things. Them say, make them know they come out. Make them go inside bush. Make them not disturb anybody. These people can't say, okay, we agree. To prove you say, we know they look for anybody. The only thing we want is our freedom. Don't worry, you go listen to the whole video. They say the only thing we need now our freedom. They want Biafra. They say we want make Nnamdi Kanu. They release them. Now, una still Congo carry helicopter, everything. Congo inside bush, go they look for them. Make una finish them. Make una level everywhere down. I want to ask una question. All of una, where they bring these people? You work on yourself, Ijele. You be social media blogger. I don't know the day you become a special squad or CID or DFF or CFF or army or whatever. Me, I don't know. That place where they go, I don't know the day where you go receive training. You see, Imanandi Bosina go one get on a hand since. I go on dele ne jezini huog mboto tage ikwu gene odigogo nwoke ishomage nwu kini kuno na ezoro gi ishoziri ikari iburukwu egbe jeme. So ihe na akọwa wuru gene kedi ihe na ato why be say they are worried that these people are alive, they are existing, despite coming out to lie that they have finished them up. Why are they all worried? Ojo Zokalo, Hopu Zodema, whoever get all of them, why are they worried that they are not finished, that they are alive? Why are they worried? Okay, now, they don't come out. They tell you, say, that sit at home, where they say they know they interested before, they say now they are interested in that sit at home. That it is a compulsory until you release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. You see how you carry your hand, carry heavy load to put for your head. When people, they deceive you, make you understand who they be. Since maybe for 1 year now, these people did their own. They know that even police, they know they look for police again. They know they fight police again. But today, una they go. By the way, why una they run? I see say they una don't live on a payload and they go on tractors, so una leave them there. Why una they run? Make you hear the full video. Listen to the full video.
Biafrans all over the continent, all lovers of freedom or supporters of freedom, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending your location. This is still your humble brother, aka Janto the Yahoo. All Biafrans should get this in your memory. Please let us keep on pushing. Do not slumber. It is a word of encouragement. We are in the battlefield, and we really appreciate all Biafrans for your support and everything. And we are still appealing for you all to keep on supporting and keep on pushing. No one is big, no one is small. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity to address the entire world. This is the genocide war going on in Biafra land. This is how they have been moving around, killing innocent Biafrans. But thank God, we have been sleeping, and they thought that Biafra have collapsed. But I want to make it openly these days. We are freedom fighters. We are not a terrorist. And now, they have waked the hungry lion that is asleep in Biafra land. I want to make it clear for the hearer of all the enemies of Biafrans and more especially all these Igbo Muslims that are claiming that we are terrorists in our own hometown, so that they can be able to make way for their masters, for our enemies to enter into our land. Please, Biafrans, I want everyone to open his or her eyes to understand what is going on. And from this time henceforth, this is coming out directly from the office of my triple general down to the major generals in Biafra land. From Monday, this coming Monday, everywhere should be lock and key. Biafrans, I love the courage. I love you people's courage. Yes, it made officially by the NGM Cup. But since we have seen that these people don't want peace in this land, every Monday sit at home should continue till Nnamdi Kanu comes out from detention. That is final. Let everyone hear it. Let it not be meant to know. Let it not be as if tomorrow you will rise up and say that you did not hear it. Let everyone hear it this time around. And for you, Udele, Berkshire, idiotic human being, irigo ozugina, akwe udika, imase, those that do doesn't cap. Biafra is unbeatable. Biafra is unstoppable. No Biafra, no peace. No Biafra, no peace. Biafra is unstoppable. You see all those money you collected. You see all those money you collected just to sabotage your own homeland, your own mother's land. You must vomit the money to the enemies. To those that gave you the money, you must still vomit the money, because you can't achieve the goal. You can't achieve your goal with your stupid ones that are backing you up. You think that you are wise. Why are you running now? You are making noise all the time. Udele, why are you running? You see, for this life, they make noise. But hear me and hear me out. Hear me and hear me out. Udele agbagom go kwa before. Udele your generation ha. Udele. At least it don't happen now. If they play the show. Stupid human being. If we from Madonna to Tarime and Bojere, I have crayfish, I have tomato. Rubbish human being. I don't have much to say. Biafrans, we are fighting for the good of everyone, and we must keep on fighting, and we must fight to the end. God bless you all. Thank you.
Tiyoko. Me pega ya. Ti baba kone ke here for. Baba ko. Cadê isso? Cadê isso? Me ben no se so ti. Bang. Dia me ali. Ti ali si. Awo. Me gba ma hu dadi. Follow zo. TB Oko. What about you? Chonga gas ya de tigodi Oko fe. ere godi ere.
Ndị agbara ite esi ogwu pin apụ.
Udele gbola ị ga-eri anya nge. Ka nnọ ha ndị otu unu ga-eri anya. Useme no de. Ndị ya kpata. Tini ọkụ ni depe ya ọkụ ha bụgo dị mkpa na mkpa agbakara ka nke ozi. Tini ọkụ. Shen ya. Oge eri anya ha. Mmiri ọsọ ha ndị ara ndị iberibe. Mmadụ people. Tini ọkụ ma ịga ọkụ everywhere ka ọ na-ere. Igwe bute ụzọ ị ga-adị. Igwe bute ụzọ mpa anyị ga-ewu. Ịma aka ịfụnanya. Ihe niile ha gbara were bịa hie ha fiirola ha ga-ala. Ikango. Ala Biafra ga-erikọcha ụlọ niile. Rie ego niile. Ego ndị iberibe.